Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can claim JYNXZI charm after subscribing. So the first thing that you can do is make sure your subscription to JYNXZI is active. So head over to Twitch and double check that you've subscribed to the channel. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And then from here, just need to click on the subscribe button here. So remember, you need to be subscribed to claim the charm. Now that your sub is active, the next thing you need to do is to link your Ubisoft account to your Twitch. So this is super important. So to do that, all you need to do is go back to Twitch and then profile icon at the top right and click on settings. And then from here, find the connection stub. Right from here and scroll down and find the Ubisoft under the list of connected accounts. So just hit connect and follow the steps to log in. Now, once your account are linked, the charm will be delivered through the Twitch drop system. So what you can do now is head over to the drops inventory page on Twitch. So go to profile at the top right and then click on these drops and rewards and check if the JYNXZI charm is listed. All right, so you should see the JYNXZI charm sitting there. All you have to do is claim it, hit the claim button, and then the charm will be unlocked for you in game on Rainbow Six Siege. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.